Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So Sabado ngayon, punta kami sa beach, day trip lang. Pero bago kami mag drive, no, papunta sa beach, na namin tong mga damit. So yung mga ukay-ukay na binibenta sa Pilipinas, I'm sure dito galing yan, mga clothing and shoes. So mga pinaglumaan namin damit, minsan naman hindi nagamit talaga. Yan, binag na namin, tas lalagay ko lang dyan. Already? Okay, Rocky, go ahead. Hey guys, we're here. Hey, what's that? Stop. Hi guys, we're here. And park pass. Our park pass is expiring this month. So, last hurrah. Last hurrah. Rocky, you have to wait. Stop. Stop. Stop dito. Okay, hold on. Hello. Yeah, we're just gonna do a day trip. 2 adults, 1 child. Terry. Diba si Terry? Good. Terry is a good girl.
Do you want to go to the beach? Do you want to go to the beach?
Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Hey.
Paano nila yun? Paano nila yun?
Window.
Window.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, here we go. Let's go. Wow. Daming kotse.
Ang daming tao.
Hi guys, we're here. Dog. Wait! No. Let's go. Okay, I did not bring the cart. I was too lazy to pull the cart out of the garage. Now I'm carrying everything. Hi guys, so nag-decide kami na mag-beach muna bago magluto. So mangyari early dinner. So umalis, iyak si Rocky. Okay. Okay guys, I need to buy a new hat. Matagal na tong hat na to. Isa sa mga observations ko dito sa US, no, mga gamit dito bihira masira, kaya tinatapon lang talaga. So etong si Terry, hindi napapagod, taas ang energy. May si Gray. Gray! You wanna swim? Let's go. Go. No! Go. Go. Guys, tapos na kami mag-swimming. Gutom na daw yung anak ko. And balik na kami dun sa picnic area. Luto tayong pagkain. Yung mga aso. Hi guys, no. Nakita ko sa mga Pilipinas, butane torch ginagamit dito, lighter fluid. Ayan, charcoal lighter fluid. Hi guys, just we're in business. So pork chops, veggies, rice. Hi guys, just to give you an update, almost done. Pork chops, veggies, and corn for dessert. And this is our rice. Oh wow. Right, let's eat. Pork chop. Ano to? Ba't kasi nagbablog ha? Alala ko na naman yung nanay ko. Kumain ko ng sibuyas, pampatapang yung pampatapang
tuloy yung amoy mo.
tumapang pala yung amoy sa kaligil pa rin tumapang. Shout out kay Mami Helen. Hi guys, time check 8:33 PM. Alis na kami. Daan lang ng restroom. Yung restroom mo. So sabi nga pwede mag-stay dito hanggang 10. Kaso magdala ka ilaw kasi walang ilaw yung mga picnic area or pavilion. May buwan na. Okay guys, see you next time. Bye.
Ha?
Yeah.
Ilan lawan mo?
Yeah. Bye.
Ayun lang tayo.
Yeah, this is the first time that we went home this late from Galveston Island State Park.
1 hour na lang pa. Close na.
Yeah, hold on.